Shivam Mishra, accused in the Kanpur Lamborghini crash and son of UP tobacco businessman KK Mishra, gets bail just hours after his arrest. Shivam was arrested on Thursday morning, 4 days after the speeding car hit pedestrians on Sunday. The vehicle rammed into an auto rickshaw, a motorcycle, and a roadside pole, injuring at least 6 people. According to Shivam Mishra's lawyer, the court refused the police's demand for a 14-day remand, as a result of which he is now being released on a ₹20,000 undertaking and a ₹20,000 personal bond.
कोई जमानत प्रार्थना पत्र पर सुनवाई नहीं हुई है। जो अभियोजन ने रिमांड मांगा था, उस रिमांड को अर्नेश कुमार बनाम स्टेट ऑफ बिहार में माननीय उच्चतम न्यायालय द्वारा दी गई विधि व्यवस्था का पालन न किए जाने के कारण न्यायालय ने रिमांड को रिफ्यूज कर दिया है और अभियुक्त को एक निर्देश दिया है कि वो विवेचक से संपर्क रखेगा, विवेचना में सहयोग करेगा। 20,000 रुपया का अंडरटेकिंग, 20,000 रुपए का निजी मुचालका और एक अंडरटेकिंग दे करके मुक्त हो जाएगा।
The case had earlier taken a dramatic turn when a man named Mohan, claiming to be the driver, stated that he was behind the wheel and not Shivam. He claimed that Shivam suffered a seizure during the drive, prompting him to panic and attempt to steer the vehicle with one hand. Mohan also claimed that the car's automatic locking system delayed their exit and that he stepped out, leaving Shivam in the driver's seat.
यहाँ पर एक मोहन नाम के तमिलनाडु के व्यक्ति को लाया गया। बहुत ही अशोभनीय और कानून का मजाक उड़ाने वाली बात है। मैं तो ये कहता हूँ कि एक तमिलनाडु का व्यक्ति जो कुछ जानता पहचानता नहीं है, किसी को उठा के ले आया गया है, आज यहाँ पर प्रस्तुत कर दिया गया है ताकि उसकी बेल किसी भी तरीके से ग्रांट हो जाए।
This is not the first time a high-profile hit-and-run case in India has seen conflicting claims. On May 19, 2024, in Pune, a minor named Vedant Agarwal allegedly rammed his Porsche into 2 motorbike riders, killing them. Investigators later alleged that the minor's family attempted to make their designated driver take the blame and tampered with evidence, including blood samples. Coming back to the Kanpur case, police said they rejected the driver's claim based on evidence gathered during the probe. Investigators stated that it was clearly established that Shivam Mishra was driving the car at the time of the crash.